My name is Adam. I'm the owner of MOTO PGH. I've built close to, if not over at this point, 400 cafe racer motorcycles. Today we're going to take this Honda CB 550 out to the Cafe Racer Magazine build competition. See how she does. 6:30 a.m. I just woke up, heading over to the shop right now so we can load up the bike and all the stuff that we need for our vendor space at the Cafe Racer Magazine build show today. It's a competition that they put on every year, like right around this time of the year. It's like August. We're just gonna kind of go there, set up our vendor space, show you guys some video of the bikes that people have entered, maybe talk to some of the builders. We're gonna go through and show you our build that we're entering and a lot of the different stuff that we've done to it. Cool, so stay tuned. All right, so this is our build for the show. It's a 1978 Honda CB 550. We have a custom front and rear Excel 17-inch, 2.5-inch wheels. The front is laced to a custom hub, so that way we're able to use the spoked wheels with the GSXR front end suspension. Everything's like completely rewired. We have like a mini battery like tucked up into the cowl. We have Continental TKC 80 tires. They're 17 130s. The carburetors, they've been completely like rebuilt, polished, all new gaskets, floats, like jetting, new pods. We have a custom front brake master cylinder and clutch levers. We have the Cognito Moto triple trees. It's the upper and the lower and the custom stem, so we're able to fit the GSXR forks along with the GSXR front disc braking. We have a custom rear fender that we also use for a license plate mount. 39 millimeter pod filters. I have a custom seat cowl painted gloss black. The tank paint, it's gloss black with, it's like a tricolor with a Nardo gray and then kind of it's a fairly bright white. What else do we have here? Oh, we this like little pod up here. We actually 3D printed this here at the shop. It has like an on and neutral light, and then like an on and off, like basically a kill switch. And then also we set the valves to spec, set the timing to spec, and then if you look in the back here, like we have like just like a custom LED tail light. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how she came out, and we'll see how it does in the show today. this is John from Specialty Cycle Works. We're here at the Cafe Racer magazine build show, and I just wanted to talk to him a little bit about this crazy custom Kawasaki that he's making. So can you tell us like a little bit about the frame? Like, what kind of gave you the idea to do this?
Absolutely. So this was a 91 Kawasaki Concourse, so it was a full fairing highway bike. So I bought it for $100 and stripped it off, and I wanted a naked bike, and I stripped all the fairings off, and it was really ugly naked. So I made my own frame for it. This is a one-off frame that I made. This is a tank off of a European twin naked commuter bike that's called the ER5. It's not offered here in the US, but I imported the tank from Germany. So I have all my battery and electronics, everything is hidden underneath the tank. And then I made the seat there. That's a Yamaha rear fender, but it's gonna pretty much look like this when it's finished. It's gonna be a naked bike. Everything in the back here is gonna be wide open, cafe style. You're just gonna see the pod filters sticking out there. But this is it. I stripped about 300 pounds off the bike. It's 1,000cc shaft driven. Should be pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's super cool. I mean, I saw this bike at John's shop. It's like near Johnstown. What's that town called?
It's called Bullsopple. So it's in between Johnstown and Somerset, PA.
But yeah, I saw this bike there, and I was talking about it, and I just kind of wanted to get a video of the build, and I'm excited to see what it looks like when it's completed.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, this piece right here is the only original piece from the frame. Everything else I made.
Pulling out from the show right now. We got all packed up. Had a good time. Unfortunately, we didn't place this year, but we did get to meet a lot of cool people. Talked to a lot of different people about vintage motorcycles, and it was a great show overall. So hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and moving forward, I'm going to try to put together some like higher quality content as far as like going to different shows that we go to. Maybe some tutorials on like how to do certain things that we do to our builds, such as like powder coating wheels, rebuilding carburetors, doing like custom tanks, bleeding brake lines, basically anything that has to do with like vintage motorcycles. So if that's stuff that you're into, if you could go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like the video, that would help us tremendously. All right, thanks guys.